So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add TradingView and Groww App. So in order to use Groww App, so first of all you will need to set up on Groww App the chart type, which would be your TradingView chart type. Once you've done that, you can go to the web version of Groww, which is going to be like this, groww.in. Once you're logged in, make sure that you are setting up your chart as a TradingView chart. So you can see right here, it does look very similar to that TradingView chart. You can see your IPOs from stocks and some other stuff that you can buy. So it says grow your wealth and you can get started with that. Now through there, just make sure that your TradingView chart is set up within the Groww app. You can find it on Android as well as your iOS device. And once you're logged in, you can see stuff like F&O, indices, terminal, option chain, API trading. You can see mutual funds and your stocks. From there, you can also get it as a way to see that specific, and you can see it right here. Your terminal will be just like that. So it's a TradingView terminal, or rather TradingView chart. And you can see some other stuff that's interactable through the groww.in and Groww app itself. So just make sure to choose that specific chart type. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.